Long ago, in a peaceful village hidden between the mountains, lived a boy named Yunus. He was only 10 years old, but his heart was full of love for Allah. While others played all day, Yunus would sit under the old olive tree reading Quran and making dua. One year the rain didn't come. The wells dried up. Crops withered. Animals became weak. The people grew scared. They asked their leader, "What do we do? We've never seen a drought like this." The leader said, "We must turn to Allah. Everyone, old and young, must pray and ask for forgiveness." Yunus watched the crowd. His heart whispered, "Ya Allah, help us. Even if they don't see me, I know you see me." He quietly walked behind the hills, fell into sujood, and whispered, "Ya Allah, I'm just a child, but I know you are Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Please send rain, not because we deserve it, but because we need your mercy." As Yunus finished his prayer, he felt a drop on his face, then another. Then the sky opened with rain. The villagers ran outside shouting, "Alhamdulillah! Alhamdulillah!" The leader said, "Our du'as were answered." But one elder smiled and said, "No, I think Allah heard someone very special." Days later, the elder saw Yunus praying under the olive tree. He sat beside him and said, "Tell me, did you ask Allah for rain?" Yunus nodded. "Yes, but I didn't think I was important enough." The elder smiled. Sometimes the prayers of the quietest hearts are the loudest in the heavens. Allah doesn't look at how big we are or how loud we are. He looks at our sincerity. Just like Yunus, your dua can change the world. Never stop calling upon your Lord. And when my servant asks you about me, I am near. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:186. Let's be like Yunus, pure, humble, and full of faith.